Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today I have a lovely little parcel from Beauty Bay. It's literally embellished all over the freaking box. I live for that. So yeah, we have this parcel from Beauty Bay. I wanted to kind of unbox it for you guys because I'm super excited. You'll see why as soon as I find the scissors. So yeah, I've been recently just trying to like amp up my makeup game. So I wanted to just get a bit more. So I went a little bit ham. I haven't bought makeup in a while, so this was a bit of a like, you know, big deal. I was like, oh. So yeah, we're just gonna like cut into this now because I can't wait. I haven't ordered from Beauty Bay in ages, so this is nice. Right. So I have my little thing with all the bits on. But what have we got? Ow. Just covered the thing then. You need to just like experience the insanity. They honestly. Okay, we're just gonna like, you know. It looks so cool. Look at that. So this is one of the Beauty Bay EYN or EYN, I guess, palettes. This is the berry one. So this is the ultimate collection of rich berry toned eyeshadows. 42 shade palette. Has everything from deep purples, sparkling lilacs, sultry metallics for soft but buildable definition. Sounds freaking awesome. Now obviously the palette is actually inside. This isn't the only one that I have for BTW. There are more. You can kind of guess what's coming now. Oh my god. Everything about this just looks so chic and just like fab. Oh my god. I can't. So it has like this sheet thing inside. I'm just gonna like pop it out of the way for like the second. I think it's like partly magnetic. Oh my god. Look at how pretty it is. It even comes with like this huge ass mirror, which I am loving because honestly, trying to do it in that mirror over there, it's so irritating. The lighting can be off, so having this mirror actually feels like it's gonna help a lot. Hi. I don't know what I'm on. But like, honestly, these shades look insane. There's so many like nice colours that you can just build with. I love that they all have names like Cookie Dough, Rustic Rose, Dark Symphony, Legacy, Full Roast, Cutie Pie, Room for Dessert, Frozen, you know, things like that. It's just like so cute. But like those shades just look, oh my god, so insane. I am living for this one. Now we will be doing some swatches, so be sure to stay tuned to see some lovely swatches and more details about this particular one. And like I said, we have another one here. So again, it's that shimmery box. I can't with these. Beauty Bay, stop it. I cannot. So this is Theory. So this is more like the reds, fiery tones. And you can see it's got like, you know, the orange branding with it really. So let's take a little peek. Woo. Oh girl. Oh, that red tone is stunning. These red tones here, ruby slippers. Oh, slay. Like honestly, these shades are just gorgeous. You know, I'm sorry, but I'm just living for the names. Hot Sauce, Siesta, Adorn. Oh my god, I just saw that. Adorn. That is a smoking hot gold colour. I just want to like touch them all and just swatch them everywhere, all over my body. Honestly, these look amazing. So yeah, this is like more warm toned shades. Again, it's 42 shades in this, and each of these actually retail for £23 on Beauty Bay, so get to Beauty Bay now. Get yourself some wine. But we are not finished there. Of course, this was a 3-piece set, I guess you can say. I had to finish with this one. Well, it was in the box this way, but I'm so glad because this is like, honestly, the one that I've been looking forward to possibly the most. This is the Bright palette. Oh, first of all, blue, my favourite colour. Live for a bit of blue. Just gonna take the sheet thing out again. So yeah, this has, again, 42 shades. Embrace the rainbow, combining electric blue, lime green, and shimmering purples for a luminous and eye-catching result. So, some really cool colours apparently. This is like my little gay boy heart's dream right here. Look at these mother freaking shades. I want to just scream. So these like, this, oh my god, make them wink. Make them wink. Wear pink to make them wink. Honey, hot. The names, I can't. They're honestly amazing. These blue shades. Oh honey. I cannot wait. Like, just looking at these, I'm honestly like picturing in my head like all these different like funky makeup looks, and I love that it's like a mixture of shimmery colours and just matte colours, because sometimes I find like you get a palette like this and they'll give you a like crap ton of either mattes or like all of them are just like glitters or shimmers. I'm like, oh, can you not just like, you know, even it out? And this looks pretty even. You've got like, with every matte, there's at least a glitter, you know, to go with each of them. So at least you know, like, you've got a matte and a glitter in each colour. Oh my god, I can't even. And then of course at the top you've got like just some neutral shades that you can use to like blend around and, you know, intensify the look. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is like Christmas for me, honestly. So I've been wanting to get these kind of palettes for a very long time. Beauty Bay have been doing their own palettes, the Identity, Evolve, and there is another one and I can't remember it. But they did these like original 3 palettes from, you know, a while, not like too long ago, like in the last year. And since then they've really boomed with their like makeup palettes. And so they've released these 3. And there is another one which has just been released, which is the Nudes, which fingers crossed we'll get our hands on at some point soon, because we all love a nude. Well, I'm actually just going to start by swatching a couple of the colours. I'm not actually going to swatch all of them, just because it's going to take a very long time. So what one? Oh, I don't know what one to do. Let's look at this glazed raspberry. Oh, that texture is soft. So this is like a very, I'm so bad at this. Like a very, oh my god. Stop it. That is insane. Oh my god. So that's glazed raspberry. I also want to try this dark purple, which is like a hazy heather, as it's called. Oh girl, that's insane. Maybe a little bit of rustic rose. I'm scared that this is gonna like fall off. Just holy crap. These are amazing. I'm running out of fingers. Because I don't want to do like all the same kind of colours. Let's go for a matte. So this is Damson. Oh god, this is going to be dark. Oh. Holy crap. What? And just because it's there, I'm going to try the colour Leo. And this is like a gold tone. Oh, that's stunning. Oh. So now we're going to just swatch some of the fairy colours. I've got to swatch that, like, these reds, girl. So we're going to do Ruby Slipper first here. So this is like the shimmery red. Oh, that looks fucking fire. Holy crap. Let's try a bit of Koi. This is like a very, like, nice orangey colour. Oh, that's strong. That's buff. I can just imagine a flame already. Because I did it before, I want to try this out. This is Adorn, which is their gold shade. Oh my god. Look at that. I can't get over this. Let's also just try Carpe Diem, just because it's that really like neon looking red. And these are like the tiniest amounts that I'm putting on my fingers, and it just transfers so well. And final colour, let's go for something a bit different. Let's go for Chocolate Fudge. This is again a bit of a glittery colour, but it's a nice warm toned brown. That looks really good. These shades are insane. I can't even. Can you? Oh honey. And finally we get to swatch the brights. Oh god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I want to swatch every kind of colour on this one. I think we might do a few more on this one just because there's like so much variety. So I'm going to start with this pink, which is called Make Them Wink. Bada bing, bada freaking boom. Look at that. Just to see, we've also got Heatwave, which is the orange, which is super bright as well. Oh my god. We also have this gorgeous yellow shade, which is called Hello Sunshine. Oh, You could just imagine blending those two together and making some awesome beauty. Now I am curious to this Frosted Lime glittery shade. It is obviously a green. Ooh. Holy cow. Oh my god. I've got to try Splash, which is obviously again the blue. Oh. Holy crap, look at that. It almost matches like what my room looks like. I'd say that actually matches really well with my room. How weird is that? That's so insane. Just because I want to see what this dark ass colour is about. This is Drama Queen and this is purple. Oh, that's deep. I am loving that. Holy creep. So that is the bright there. Oh, some absolute stunning colours. So that is the palettes for you. Overall thoughts, holy crap. I wasn't sure really what to expect. I'd heard some good things about the Beauty Bay palettes, but you know, you see like own branded things like this come out and they're good, but it's like, it's affordable, so it's like, am I really gonna get like a great experience from it? You know what I mean? Beauty Bay delivered. Holy crap, guys. Honestly, if the Beauty Bay team is watching, thank you, Jesus, for making these. I'm definitely gonna have to get more. I've already got my eyes on that nude palette. And the other three as well. And any new palettes that come out, I'm literally gonna be on them like anything. These are incredible. You know, you don't have to get all three, but like, I think they're so worth it. I just think there's so much like versatility with them, and there's so much that you can do and create with them. The packaging, again, it's amazing, like just how like sturdy. I could take this out and I don't really want to hit it too hard, but like, do you know what I mean? Like, it just feels good. It's not one of those palettes that would just pop open easily. Like, it is magnetically sealed, so at least it's secure. And this big ass mirror, hun. I'm gonna be like pouting into it all day long. I hope you know this. I think this has a bit of a protector on it as well, which is good because, you know, I'm insane and I'll probably break it. I just literally cannot even process in my mind how amazing these all are. Overall, I think my favourite's just naturally gotta be the brights. So many beautiful, beautiful colours in there, so much uniqueness. Really looking forward to trying those. But the Berry and the Fury palette also have so many amazing colours. I'm really like excited to just sit down and kind of get a bit creative with these and just see exactly what we can create, because I think makeup is so broad now that you can just do whatever you want on your face and, you know, make it your own, make it work and have fun with it. So like I said earlier in the video, these are all priced at £23 each. So that is for these big versions. They do smaller versions. However, I just went straight in and went for the big 42 colour palette. Because why not? It's there. I want it. But yeah, so you should definitely check these out. I will be leaving the links down below for you guys so you can check them out for yourselves and get them while you can, because oh my god, they're amazing. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, let me know down below. And if you actually have got these palettes, or just from seeing them on this video, let me know down below in the comments, what's your favourite of the 3 of these new palettes. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.